Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the same Snapchat account on two devices. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to access your account on both phones without any issues. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your main phone. Tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Here, you'll see your Snapchat username. Make sure to note it down. Now take the second device where you want to log in. Open the Snapchat app and on the login screen, enter the same Snapchat username and password as your first device. Tap Log In, and you'll be inside your Snapchat account. To confirm, go to your profile on the second device. You will see that you're using the same Snapchat account that you noted earlier. That's it. Now, you have access to your Snapchat account on two devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.